Seventh inning, plan giving explosion. Donors from all different socioeconomic backgrounds can make gifts several times larger from estate plans than from current wealth positions. An unprecedented wealth transfer from the baby boomer and silent generations of a mind-numbing $84 trillion is projected by 2045. There are only three places where these dollars can go: loved ones, government, or charity. Nonprofits must make it a priority to have plan-giving infrastructure in place, articulate strategies to magnify time, talent, and treasure of their elders.